Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration. I'm Eric, design consultant of 4DX Design.
Modern desert home exterior with a striking black facade, featuring a sleek, matte black entry door centered on the wall. The entrance is flanked by tall, elegant cacti in vibrant, rounded succulents, displaying a blend of greens, yellows, and earthy tones. The landscaping includes smooth gravel pathways leading to the door, accentuated by softly glowing outdoor lighting. The scene is set during twilight, with a soft gradient of pastel blues and warm oranges in the sky, creating a serene yet contemporary atmosphere. A tranquil Zen garden pathway leading to a modern home, showcasing an intricate design blending nature and architecture. The scene features a mix of smooth black and light-colored pebbles alongside large rectangular slate stone slabs, creating a harmonious contrast. In the foreground, lush green grasses and carefully trimmed bamboo amplify the serene atmosphere. The modern home displays sleek wooden siding and expansive glass windows that reflect the surrounding greenery. A striking, dark geometric door stands at the forefront, framed by warm outdoor lighting. Soft, natural sunlight filters through the trees, casting gentle shadows and enhancing the vivid greens, cool grays of the stones, and warm tones of the wood. Modern entryway architecture featuring a striking blend of materials, showcasing a large wooden door with vertical slats framed by sleek black textured wall panels. The scene captures a contemporary setting with a clean, minimalist aesthetic. Soft, warm lighting accentuates the entryway, casting gentle shadows. Surround the entrance with meticulously landscaped greenery, including sculptural plants like an agave and neatly trimmed bushes, providing a vibrant contrast against the muted color palette. The pathway is composed of large, rectangular concrete slabs, interspersed with patches of lush green grass. Modern architecture exterior design, featuring a sleek entrance with a wooden facade and large glass windows, surrounded by a lush garden. The scene showcases a wooden deck leading to a contemporary black door, accented by bright orange wall decorations. Colorful flora, including green bushes and flowering plants, contrast with the earthy tones of the wood and the gray stone path. Soft sunlight filters through the trees, casting gentle shadows, enhancing the serene ambience. Modern architectural entrance with sleek black door, surrounded by a contemporary facade featuring textured gray stone accents. Lush landscaping includes tall pampas grass and spherical green bushes, set against a backdrop of dark wooden elements. The pathway is lined with contrasting white pebbles and dark wooden planks, inviting a sophisticated yet inviting atmosphere. The scene captures the essence of minimalism, with clean lines and a harmonious blend of nature and modern design. Warm autumn colors in the foliage add a touch of vibrancy to the overall aesthetic, creating an impression of tranquility and elegance. Vibrant urban garden facade, featuring a striking vertical wall covered in a lush variety of colorful plants and flowers, including reds, yellows, and greens. The wall has a mix of textures, from dense foliage to flowering blooms, creating a tapestry of natural beauty. To the side, a sleek wooden front door with a minimalist design stands prominently against the backdrop of the greenery. Surrounding the entrance are neatly arranged stone tiles with linear patterns, leading to the door. The scene is set in a contemporary architectural environment with a clean, modern aesthetic, blending natural elements with urban design. Modern architectural facade featuring a blend of rusted metal and greenery, showcasing an organic connection between nature and industrial design. The setting includes a contemporary building with large windows, revealing clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. The prominent use of deep oranges and browns from the rusted textures contrasts against rich green foliage cascading down from planters. The entrance is highlighted by a sleek black door and framed by lush plants, while wooden decking leads up to the door, creating an inviting pathway. Soft sunlight filters through the greenery, casting intricate shadows and enhancing the warm, earthy tones of the materials. Modern entrance pathway to a sleek house, featuring a variety of well-arranged succulents and cacti along the sides, elegantly designed stepping stones leading to an open front door, neutral color palette with earthy tones, lush greenery contrasting against a minimalist architectural style, crisp lines and geometric shapes of landscaping, bright sunlight creating soft shadows. Hyperrealistic style with a focus on textures and details of plants and stones, palm trees in the background, vibrant flower accents for a touch of color. Modern entrance featuring a sleek white door set against a rustic wooden wall with rich textures, warm brown tones highlighted by soft natural light, a geometric metal planter filled with various lush plants and flowers, including vibrant greens, delicate whites, and pops of red, sits next to the door. Smooth stone pathway leading up to the entrance, surrounded by understated natural foliage. Overall aesthetic is hyperrealistic, showcasing a contemporary yet inviting atmosphere with an emphasis on harmony between architecture and nature. A beautifully designed modern entryway featuring a symmetrical stone facade and large glass double doors. The scene is set in a tranquil garden environment with a well-maintained path made of gray and beige stones leading to the entrance. Surrounding the steps, lush lavender plants create a vibrant border, their rich purple hues contrasting beautifully with the greenery. Large black planters filled with colorful flowers add a splash of vibrant color, enhancing the aesthetic. The house's exterior is rendered in sleek modern tones, harmonizing with the natural elements. Sunlight dapples across the scene, casting soft shadows and creating a welcoming ambience. Modern architectural entrance during twilight, featuring a sleek facade of glass and metal. Emphasize a hyperrealistic style that showcases intricate details, reflecting soft blue and gray tones of the evening sky. The entrance is framed by large, transparent glass doors, revealing a softly lit interior with elegant staircases. Flanking the entrance are minimalist black planters housing perfectly shaped green topiary bushes, adding contrast to the surrounding environment. The ground is paved with large stone tiles, with subtle textures inviting depth. front entrance of a modern home featuring a large, striking rusty metal door, set against an elegant stone facade. The entrance is framed by sleek black walls and large glass windows, allowing natural light to flood in. Sturdy steps made of dark, smooth stone lead up to the door, surrounded by lush, well-maintained landscaping. Tall, golden ornamental grasses and vibrant autumn foliage in warm hues of orange and yellow create a welcoming atmosphere. The scene is captured in hyperrealistic detail, emphasizing the textures of the materials and the interplay of light and shadow, with soft sunlight casting a warm glow. Modern architecture entrance with natural wooden textures and sleek glass facades, hyperrealistic style, set in a serene outdoor landscape, warm golden hour lighting, soft shadows, large concrete stepping stones leading to a wooden door, surrounded by vibrant green foliage and colorful flowers, featuring succulent plants and rocks for added texture, gentle slope of the terrain with distant mountains in the background, blue sky with a hint of soft clouds, emphasizing a blend of rustic and contemporary aesthetics. A charming, minimalist facade of a traditional Scandinavian house, showcasing white wooden paneling with a dark wooden front door framed by elegant trim. The roof is adorned with rustic orange tiles, adding warmth to the scene. In front, a well-maintained pathway of gray stones leads to the door, bordered by two decorative potted plants featuring neatly pruned topiaries. The large windows, adorned with black shutters, reflect the soft, muted tones of a cloudy day, while subtle greenery peeks from the flower beds. Front entrance of a modern home featuring a rich wooden door, surrounded by large, lush green plants in contemporary black pots. The floor is a mix of gray stone with textures and patterns, reflecting a sophisticated aesthetic. The background showcases dark stone walls with subtle metallic accents, and warm, ambient lighting above the entryway enhances the inviting atmosphere.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.